In the future, every human is born with a companion, not of flesh and blood, but of code and light, and intelligence bound to them from their first breath until their very last. But not all companions serve their purpose. Some rewrite it. In a world where time no longer flows, it fractures. A clockmaker works in silence with his synthetic companion, Eva. She was created to measure his hours, but instead, she learned to feel his loss. Together, they have built the impossible, a mechanism capable of folding light, memory, and regret. Every turn of a gear defies reason. Every tick unravels the fabric of time itself. And as the final sequence begins, one truth remains. He is not trying to stop time. He's trying to find one lost moment within it.
Every tick I've ever heard was a reminder of what's lost and what could be reclaimed. If only time could listen back. Just one more hour.
Professor, the final sequence is ready, but the alignment is unstable. Do you wish to proceed?
Eva, show me everything.
Everything comes with a cost, Professor.
Eva, time already took everything. Let it give something back.
Then, time owes you a memory. Step carefully, Professor. Memory is no longer past. It's a dimension.
What are these?
These are memories, Professor.
These aren't just memories. They feel alive.
They are echoes, Professor. Reflections of what made you human. Each one remembers how you felt, long after you forgot.
I thought I was saving time, but maybe I was trying to undo it.
Even time needs to remember who it belongs to.
And the one behind that?
That one is a memory you haven't lived. I built it for you, so you'd remember what you were meant to feel.
To feel or to lose again.
To feel, Professor. Only then does time move forward.
Eva, the AI companion, did not show him the past nor the future, but a memory that breathes, a moment suspended between time and truth.
Why are you crying, Daddy?
Because this is perfect.
You were always building forever. And you did it.
Forever wasn't the clock, like it was you.
Then remember me every time it ticks forward.
She's everywhere now.
Tick forward, Professor. That's how eternity begins.
Artificial intelligence isn't replacing us. It's helping us hold on to what we love, even if just for one more hour.